Hello guys, I'm Hassan Shakur and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this lesson we will learn about point and revision tool in AutoCAD 2021. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, in the point tool, it acts as a node to which you can snap the objects. With points, we give the 2D and 3D location like X coordinate and the Y coordinate and the elevation Z. Now we see where we use this point tool. We use this point tool in topography survey, and to place the coordinate location on drawing area we use the point tool. Now we make the point tool, and you can find your point tool from the home tab and into the draw panel. You can open the flyout, and here is your point tool, and you can place your point tools like this. In this way you can specify your points. And specify the drawing area. Now if you want to change the size and scale, then type P type in the command line and press enter. So in this way the dialog box of point style is open. In this you can change the point style like this, like this. So in this way you can change the point style, and also you can change the point size. If I give 2.5 and OK. In this way the point style will change and the point size is also change. So in this way you can change the point size and the point scale. If I make it 3 inches and OK. In this way you can change the point size and scale. So this is the point tool. Now we see the revision cloud. And now in this tool, first we see what is revision cloud and what is the purpose to use it. First we delete this geometry. You can create rev cloud by selecting 2 corner points or polygonal points and with dragging your cursor. And you can convert object like circle, polyline, spline into a rev cloud, and we see these all points in example. Now we see what is the purpose to use it. We use rev cloud to highlight the part of drawing which being reviewed by a CAD draftsman. When you are checking the drawing and you see any error on the drawing area, you can highlight with the rev cloud, and when you send it to draftsman, and when the draftsman open the drawing and he understand that he should review that point. So this tool help us to correct the drawing like this. You can find this tool in the home tab and in the draw panel, and here is your rev cloud. First one is the rectangle. Just click 2 points, and in this way we can make our rev cloud. And the second one is the polygonal. In this way we can make the polygonal rev cloud. Now the last one is the freehand. In this way we make the freehand rev cloud. So these are the 3 types. We can control the size of this arc and the radius of this arc. So go to the rev cloud, rectangle, and here you can specify the arc length, and it's about 2 feet and 7 inches. You can make it 1 feet. and press enter. Now you can specify the area. In this way you can reduce the arc length. Now if we want to reduce more, so go to RaveCloud again and go to arc length, and if I give 6 inches and press enter, now I specify the RaveCloud area. In this way we can reduce the size of our arc. If I go to again, now the second point is showing object. If I make the circle and I want to convert this circle into a RaveCloud, then go to RaveCloud and select object. Select your object and reverse direction no, and click on OK. And if I click on yes, it reverses the direction of RaveCloud. So in this way we can use the RaveCloud option. Now again select the RaveCloud. Here it is showing arc length, object, rectangular, polygonal, freehand, and style and modify. We see all of these points except style and modify. We can discuss these tools in the later videos. So guys, this is the video about revision cloud and point tool. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment and suggest us to improve the later videos. So guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.